Welcome to the Big Challenge. This tutorial will guide you through viewing colleague information and understanding their roles. Log into your teacher account and go to the My School tab. This will take you to your school dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Colleagues. Here, you will see a list of all teachers in your school registered on the Big Challenge. Each entry includes the teacher's name, assigned classes, role, and whether they have an active account and are participating in the contest. Click on a colleague's name to view their details. You will see their role, which can be either admin or teacher. An admin is the school's Big Challenge coordinator. Admins have more access to make changes on an administrative level and can modify teacher permissions. Teachers, on the other hand, can only access the classes assigned to them. You will also see the teachers' assigned classes and their specific permissions. From this page, an admin can allow a teacher to manage the various aspects of the contest. With the Update a Subscription right, you can change the format of contest and the number of students participating in the contest. With the Manage Student Licenses right, you can assign licenses to students. With the Manage Contest Results right, you can report anomalies and export the results. With the See the Statistics and Documents right, you can check the statistics and access the requested documents. With the Manage the Contest right, you can download contest materials and upload answer sheets. That's it. Now you know how to view and manage colleague information in the Big Challenge. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching!